Hello there! Do you want to learn how to easily deploy your application or website to your own server using Rsync? In this video, we will learn exactly that. We will start with a short introduction to Rsync and then use it to deploy a directory to our server. So, let's dive right in. Rsync is a fast file copying tool that allows you to copy files locally or remotely. To synchronize two local directories, for example dir1 to dir2, we can use rsync with the -a flag and both directories. In case it does not behave as we thought, we can use the -n tag for dry run and -v for verbose output. And now that we learned some basics, we will use it to deploy the directory dir1 to our server. To deploy it, we have to use the flags A, P to continue the transfer in case of connection loss, and delete to also delete files that were removed in the source. We then need to sync the source directory with a directory on the server. You can add this directly to your build command to execute it whenever you build an application, for example in an npm script. Additionally, this can be nicely combined with caddy and the file server directive to deliver a static website. And that's it. With that, you learned how to easily deploy an application or website to your server using Rsync. I hope this guide was helpful to you, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. So, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.